Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Today, we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A07 and take a complete first look at what this budget smartphone offers. Samsung is known for delivering reliable devices, and with the A07, they are targeting users who want a stylish design, smooth performance, and long battery life at an affordable price. So, let's not waste any time and jump straight into the unboxing. Here is the retail box of the Samsung Galaxy A07. On the front, you can see the Samsung branding along with the device image, and on the back side, some of the key specifications are mentioned. Let's open the box and see what's inside. As soon as we open the box, the first thing we see is the Samsung Galaxy A07 smartphone. Let's put the phone aside for a moment and check the accessories. Inside the box, you get SIM ejector tool, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and warranty card. Samsung usually keeps things minimal, but all essential accessories are included. Now let's take a closer look at the phone. The Samsung Galaxy A07 comes with a large display, designed for a comfortable viewing experience whether you are watching videos or browsing social media. On the front, you get a water-drop notch selfie camera, which gives the phone a clean and modern look. On the back, Samsung has gone with a simple yet elegant design, with a neat camera module and a matte finish that helps reduce fingerprints. On the sides, you will find power button, volume buttons, and at the bottom, USB Type-C port, speaker grill, microphone. The phone features a big HD+ display with a smooth refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel better compared to older budget devices. It is a great option for watching YouTube videos, social media usage, everyday browsing. Talking about the camera, the Samsung Galaxy A07 is equipped with a dual camera setup on the back, including a main camera for detailed shots. On the front, there is a selfie camera suitable for selfies, video calls, social media content, performance and software. The device runs on the latest Android version with Samsung's One UI core, providing a clean and user-friendly experience. It is powered by an efficient processor. Battery. One of the key highlights of this phone is its 5000 mAh battery, which is designed to last a full day on normal usage. Extra features. Some additional features include Face Unlock Fingerprint, Dual SIM support 4G connectivity, expandable storage via microSD card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts about this phone, subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.